She has her foot in the stirrup. She's almost reached it.
All right, belly out. There you go.
Oh, this is good for her core. Excellent.
Very, very good. All right, let's do that now. Are you comfortable on the saddle? Whoa, whoa.
The saddle. He knows that.
Oh yeah, he knows. He loves it too, or he's gonna leave. One or the other. Good posture. You want to take a picture?
Can I please brush the horse?
With a career, she's decided what she wants to be when she grows up.
What?
A farmer.
A farmer? Oh, good. That's great. Are you going to be a farmer with horses?
You know what? One day, when y'all come out, I'll see if I can get Uncle Paul to come out. He drives a tractor. Maybe he'll give y'all a little free ride on the tractor. You saw him.
Oh, that was someone else maybe on a tractor.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
No.